Hello Tesla guys, this is Julia from Tesery. Today I'd like to talk to you about the Tesla roof rack. It can be used for the Model 3 and the Model Y, and you can choose the optional from here. This one is for Model 3 and the second one is for Model Y. There have some difference between the length of the Model 3 and the Model Y. As the living standard continue to improve, more and more Tesla owners love travel far away, but now there have a problem that you need to bring much luggage or take some equipment outdoors. The limitation of the space in the car has troubled many car owners who love to travel. But now Tesery have a suggestion for you. Now you just need to install the Tesla roof rack. It can max the utilize of the space in your car, and whether you enjoy adventure with your friends or just want to bring much luggage on the travel, it can make the travel more pleasant. The roof rack is the best accessory for you. Why do we need to install the roof rack for your car? The first, it is lightweight and strong enough to hold on the cargo, hold it on and don't fit the trunk, like the bags like the skis, and you can say goodbye to the narrow space with ease and enjoy the pleasant journey. Secondly, you can storage the used equipment when you have done the outdoors. It's a great way to save time and let your surfboard dry on your home. Thirdly, the roof rack increase the storage space and bring extra flexibility. You don't worry about cramping the space, luggage in the car, or scratching the soft leather of the seat. I will introduce to you about the detail of the Tesla roof rack. The first thing is about the data. It's based on the original Tesla car of the Model 3 and the Model Y. The model is produced from the Tesla original cars. And the next thing I want to talk to you is about the material of it. It is made of high-end aluminum, and it is light and can handle the more pressure than others. And the next is about the clock. The clock design is a special design. You can see. And there have 4 pieces. The one, the two, one is for left and the other is for right. And also there is the same as this one. But the third detail is the seal design. Before designing the product, we made a deep research that the similar product on the aftermarket, and we learned that more than 80% Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners who installed the roof rack had the same problem. It's that would make a whistling sound when driving speed over 20 miles per hour. So what's the problem for this? It's a simple physical fitment because the seal is not tight, resulting a whistling sound caused by the resistance generated by the vehicle driving process. In order to solve the problem, Tesery has modified, optimized, and tested for many times. And we are making sure that if you choose the Tesery roof rack, there has no whistling sound by this. And you can see the roof rack with a smooth line and unique shape. It can add in the sporty sense of your original car. And in coming with the package, there have 2 pieces roof racks, and all comes with 70 installation tools like this. They are very useful for you to install installation. And there is also coming with instruction installations. This is a detail about this. And you can take the reference. And you also can find the video installation video from the YouTube. It is easy to install it. So if you like the short video, you can follow us or leave your comments. I will introduce more practical accessories. If you want to buy Tesla accessories, just come to Tesery. Okay, bye.